Okay, lastly, I'm going to write a function that's going to display my results. So I'm just going to put this code in a function called display. Okay, and in this case I need to pass in value 1, value 2, sum, and average, because I need all of those in this function. Notice they're all value parameters. I'm bringing them in and I'm using them in cout statements, but I'm not changing any of them. So they're all value parameters. And that should really be the case in most every display function you write. Okay, I'm going to put my prototype in for this, and I'm going to call my function. Okay. All right, and then I'm going to run it, make sure everything looks good still. Good. Okay, so there's my program broken apart into appropriate functions. If I had an example where I just wanted to return one thing back out, I could write a value returning function. I don't have that in this particular program because you can combine void functions and value returning functions. The only thing that you are going to be required in your programs is to have comments prior to each function definition explaining what the function does. So just some brief comments explaining the purpose of the function. And I will ask for those prior to the function definition, which is where I'm putting them. Okay. And again, as always, you should have comments up at the top of your program, with a brief explanation of what your program does and your name. And I think that's the end of that example.